What is happening, guys? Justin here, back at it again with another Qlife video. So, I don't know if you guys could tell by the title of the video, but we've got some more mods that came in from Amazon. So let's go ahead and unbox them. Of course, you just know I had to get the ODIs. We got the ODIs. Love the ODIs, man. Had them on my BMXs as a kid growing up. Can't go wrong. And now here is clamp. One thing did not come in yet. The funny thing didn't come in yet, but that's okay. We'll have to just wait for that to come in later. It should come in today, later. Yes, that'll be coming in later, but we can install these real quick. So let's go ahead and install these real quick. Since they're here. And the other thing, which is the valve stem caps, will come in later, I guess. Today or another day, and we'll install them then. Let's get this this better seat clamp, because this giant one's not going to hold up for very long. This one's an Allen key, which is nice, and it's a little higher quality. The Allen keys are better, in my opinion. Fits much better. Let me grab the Allen key. Good height there. Looks much sleeker. It's the right size. That one is this is a lot bigger diameter, so it's good to go. Looks good. Looks better. It's an Allen key. It's a lot easier to install and take off. Now for the grips. So since these grips are now not going to be used, we are going to cut them off. I'm going to get an actual, it's just like the strength of a butter knife. So let's go in the garage here and grab myself a knife that's actually going to cut those. ODI is going to feel so much better on this, because I also need to cut the flanges off the ODIs. But I need to get my knife, which I don't actually care like how dirty that is. As you guys have seen my other vlogs, I don't actually I feel I need to clean it. It's a waste of time. These grips are kind of bad. I mean, they're alright, but I like the ODIs better. ODIs are so much better, dude. They feel better in the hand. You just can't go wrong, you know. And they come with the bar ends. They're plastic bar ends, but they come with them. So, as you can see. And those grips were kind of so bad that they have them built into the grip, and I don't like that. So, it'll be a perfect size once I cut the flanges off. Let's go ahead and cut those flanges off. Here we go. The bar ends will help. Now, I might cut off a little bit on the end here. Just that big flange piece. And maybe on the inside a little more. I just don't want them to get torn up. There you go. Now they'll fit a little better. Now, I spray them with the PB Blast. And by the time I go back out on my rod, they'll be dry. Should be all I need there. I could boil them for a little bit to soften them up, but they'll soften up over time. Because I didn't get the super softs. There's a trick where you can throw them into boiled, and they're supposed to like make them extra soft. But we don't need to do all that. There's a lot of ways to get on grips, but this is the one way that I always do it. It's a little bit of a pain, but they get on there. little bit more at the end there, but there we go. Now, good lines. I'll get the metal ones eventually, possibly, but they'll do for now. Not bad. And they feel so much softer and so much better already. So much better. So much better in the hands. They just feel better. They're cheap, so when they go bad, I'll get another set. Easy. So, yeah, can't complain. So that is it for the video. We got the seat clamp for the post, to clamp the post to the frame, and the ODI grips with the plastic bar ends that they come with. Please stay tuned for more Qlife content. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.